Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, Mathematics Chapter 5, Class 6 for abstract students and new syllabus Mathematics D1. Practice now 9 and question number 1 is solve these inequalities and illustrate on the number line. And A part is 15x is greater than 75 and B part is 4x is less than or equal to minus 16. First we have to solve these inequalities and then we have to illustrate our answer on the number line. So students, look at A part. 15 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide. And keep in mind students, in inequalities, whenever we multiply or divide by any of the side by negative number, then we have to change the sign of inequality. Suppose students, it is just for your understanding, it is written that minus 3x is less than 5. If we transfer this minus 3 to other side to divide, then we have to change this sign as less than to greater than, and it is written as x will be greater than 5 over minus 3. So keep in mind that whenever we have to multiply any of the side by negative number, we have to change the direction of the sign of inequality. And as 15 is plus, so when we transfer this 15 to other side of the inequality, we need not to change the sign. So it is written as x is greater than 75 over 15, and 15 and 75 are the multiples of 15, so 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, and x is greater than 5. Now students, we will draw the number line as, and suppose case students, it is 1 or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and so on. So at 5 we will put a circle and then indicate toward right because x is greater than 5. So we will put the line and show the direction to the right side because x is greater than 5. It means that it may be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. Now students, look at the B part. 4 is multiplying with x and 4 is positive number. When we transfer it to other side to divide, we will not change the direction of the sign of inequality. So it is written as x is less than or equal to minus 16 over 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and x is less than or equal to 4. Now students, again we will draw the number line as 0, it is minus 4 students, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and on the left side it will be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and then students minus 4, minus 5 as and it is going on to the left side and minus 6. Now students, we will put a circle on minus 4 and indicate it toward the left because x is less than and less than direction is toward the left side. So we will draw the direction toward left side. And students, we will fill this circle because 4 is included as x is less than or equal to minus 4. And when there is a sign of less than or equality, then we have to fill the circle. So this filled circle is indicating that minus 4 is included in the value of x and other than minus 5, minus 6 and all these numbers that are going to left side are less than minus 4. So students, it is the first part of practice now 9. Students, question number 2 of practice now 9 is Find the smallest integer value of x that satisfies the inequality 6x is greater than 7. Students, we have to find the value of x in the form of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And students, we will write it as 6x is greater than 7. Suppose students, we will put 1 in place of x, then 6, 1 or 6 is greater than 7 is not satisfying inequality. And if we put 2 in place of x, then 6 2s are 12 and 12 is greater than 7. So the smallest value of x will be 2. But we have to solve it as 6 is multiplying with x. When we transfer it to the other side, it will divide and it is written as x is greater than 7 over 6 and x is greater than 7 divided by 6 means 6 1s are 6 and it is one whole number 1 over 6. So students, the integers must be greater than 1 and that will be 2. So the x must be greater than or equal to 2. The value of x will be 2. So students, suppose we will put the value of x as 2, then 6 2s are 12 and 12 will be greater than 7 and the smallest integer value of x will be 2. Students, practice now 10 is a bus can ferry a maximum of 45 students. By setting up an inequality, find the minimum number of buses that are needed to ferry 520 students. So students, we will write that number of students that are 520 and one bus can carry, one bus can ferry less than or equal to 45 students. And we have to find number of buses. Number of buses we have to find. Now students, we will solve this question in this way. One bus can ferry less than or equal to 45 students. And students, we have to find number of buses. So x buses can carry less than or equal to 45 into x students. And number of students are students 520. So 45 x students are more than or equal to 520 students. And 45 is multiplying on left side with x. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide and left over will be x is greater than or equal to 520 divided by 45. Now students, we will divide, cancel both the numerator and denominator with the table of 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 1s are 5, no carry, 5 zeros are 0 and 5 4s are 20. And x is greater than or equal to 104 over 9 and x will be greater than or equal to 9 1s are 9, 1 carry and again 9 1s are 9 and 5 is the remainder over 9. Now students, we will round it off because we can't break the bus into fraction. So the number of minimum buses that are required are 12. If there are 12 buses, then we can ferry 520 students. Students, exercise 5D. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to sign. Students, keep in mind that this sign is a crocodile and it is its mouth and it is the tail of the crocodile, and crocodile always eat the larger fish, so the mouth of the crocodile will always be toward the greater number. So keep in mind that tail is indicating smaller number and mouth of the crocodile is indicating larger number. So students, look at A part. If x is greater than y, then 5x blank will be 5y. So students, when we multiply both the sides of inequality with the positive number, then we need not to change the direction of the sign. So in this blank, greater than sign will be used. If x is greater than y, then 5x will be greater than 5y. B part is students, if x is less than y, then x over 20 and y over 20 we have to fill in the blanks. Students, if positive number is dividing the sides of the inequality, then the sign of direction of the sign will never be changed. So the less than sign will be used here. In C part, if x is greater than or equal to y, then 3x and 3y, students, again positive number is multiplying on both the sides, so we will not change the direction of the sign. So it is written as 3x is greater than or equal to 3y. And D part, if x is less than or equal to y, then x over 10 and y over 10, students, again we are dividing both the sides with positive number, so direction of the sign will not be changed. So it is written as x over 10 will be less than or equal to y over 10. Now students, E part is little bit tricky. If 15 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than x, then students, 15 will be greater than x, because it is clearly indicating that 15 is greater than 5 and 5 is greater than x. Means x may be 4, 3 and 1, and then definitely 15 will be greater than x. So here I will use the sign of greater than. And the F part is, if x is less than 50, I mean to say that x may be 49, 48 and 50 is less than y, and 50 is less than y and y is greater than 50, means y may be 51 and x may be 49. So x is less than y. So here I will use the sign x is less than y. So students, it's enough for today. Rest of the question number 2 and 3 will be solved in the next video. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.